Good day, guys. Today in second form we're solving linear equations with multiplication or division. This is actually one of the case 3 and 4 of linear equations, and actually one of the more easier ones. So let's take a look at some examples. So we're given, the first problem says I'm going to be using alt equal sign, which is an easier way of working with these. It says 7a is equal to 42. That's the question itself. And so I continue and it says, okay, let me see if I can move this. All right, there we go. So we have 7 times a is equal to 42, but we want to know how much is the value of a. So to do that, then we're going to have to divide, let me write that down. We're going to have to divide both sides by 7. So alt equal again, and I'm going to use a fraction because I'm going to be dividing. So divided. On top I'm going to put 7a, and at the bottom I'm going to put 7 because that's what I'm doing. I'm dividing both sides by 7. So I'm going to divide the 7a by 7 and the 42 by 7, and I will show that as well. So 42 over 7, okay. And so, okay, we can then move on to another step. So if we divide 7a by 7, then I get a. So a is equal to, and 42 divided by 7 then is 6. And there I have my result. So I will say in my next step, I say therefore a is 6. Right there. Let's look at another example. So given this time the question says, so alt equal, but the fraction, this time we're dealing with a division. So it says 3x over 7 is equal to a half. So I have to go to the fraction section. So equals a half. So I'm dealing with division. So since I'm dealing with division, then that means that I need to get rid of the denominator. To do so, then I will multiply. The opposite of divide is to multiply. So I'll multiply both sides by LCM. In this case, the LCM is 14. So alt equal, so I'll start with the multiplication that I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with 14, which is the LCM, times, so I'm going to look for the symbol of times, which is right here, times, put the bracket, the fraction. So I'm going to put the 3x at the top as the numerator, so 3x over the 7 as the denominator, equals, I'll continue again with the 14, put the times sign again, and place my fraction, and the fraction, remember, is a half. So 1 over 2. Alright? So what will happen? Well, 7 into 14 is 2. And then so I'll have, let me put in that step I normally don't. So I'll have 2 times 3x will equal, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 7 times 1. So we have completely gotten rid of the fractional part, and so we can continue. So 2 times 3x is 6x, which is equal to 7, because 7 times 1 is obviously 7. So now the opposite of multiplying is dividing, and we have 6 times x. So we will have to divide both sides by 6. So alt equal again. So this time a fraction. So I'm going to have 6x over, sorry, my bad. 6x as my numerator, over 6 is equal, I'll put the fraction, where's my fraction? Alright, let me put my equation format. Okay, I have it there. Fraction, 7 as my numerator, over 6, since I'm dividing both sides by 6. Okay, so my final answer then is x is equal to 7/6 or 7 over 6. So I'll put therefore x is alt equal again 7/6. Now some of you like to change this into an mixed number. It isn't really necessary in a case like this. Alright? So note there are a number of steps, but it is relatively simple.